So this is how the video is going to work today. We're going to be doing videos like this where we can take a look at new and updated channels on the Roku. New channels are probably content that I never featured here before. Other channels that are updated that we probably haven't taken a look at in the past. And then we'll probably see if we can bring in 1 or 2 tips and tricks till we get the most out of the Roku experience. And it's all going to be combined in the same video. So today we're going to be taking a look at IMDb TV. That channel was updated a little while ago. When I took a look at it the first time, it didn't really have much content. Now it has more content. We're going to take a look at that. We're also going to be taking a look at Documentary Plus, a new documentary channel on the Roku. And then in the tips and tricks, we're going to be showing you 2 tips and tricks. I believe one of them is going to be for the Roku TV. The other one is going to be for all Rokus, including the Roku TV Ultra and other things like that. So that's how the video is going to work today. So let's get started. Today we're going to start with IMDb TV. Now the last time I checked on this channel, it had a standalone channel, a new standalone channel, and I compared it with the one that was on the Prime Video channel for the Roku. And the Prime Video version literally had more categories and more content than the standalone channel. So now we're going to take a look at the IMDb TV standalone channel. And I remember the last time I checked, this channel literally only had 7 rows of content. Now, since it is updated, they literally added more categories to match up with the Prime Video version, and it also has more content as well. So look at this. Last time we checked, there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now when I look, we have around 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I can count on and on and on, but you get the point. This IMDb TV channel on the Roku literally has more content now than it did before when it first launched a while back. But the only problem that we have now with this is that there's no live TV. Now if you look in the Prime Video version, now you have to be signed into the app. It has live TV, but on the IMDb TV standalone version, there's no live TV here. So it seems like that's the only issue that is now hindering the app. Would I say would hinder it majorly? I would say no, because if you look at other apps like Crackle and other free apps like that, they don't have live TV either. All they have is on-demand movies and TV. Now, Tubi does have live TV, but not the live TV like all the linear channels. It only has news channels, and the rest are going to be on-demand and movie content. So I wouldn't say this is going to hinder the app a lot. Actually, I would say that since this has more content, I'm very sure a lot of people are going to be checking it out now that it has more content on the IMDb TV standalone version. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for IMDb TV for updating their channel and giving users more content and more categories than when they first launched it. And as per usual, if you want to have a little bit extra features like recommendations, sync your watch history across devices, all you have to do is just sign in with an Amazon account, and that's how you're going to get those extra features on all Roku devices that you own, also on your phone and other devices that has the app. So there's IMDb TV. Next up we're going to be taking a look at today is the Documentary Plus channel. Now this channel is a new channel, and this channel is going to be giving you all documentaries grouped into categories for you to enjoy. So let's take a look at this right here. As you can see on the home screen, it has all the featured content on here. Unseen, Motherland, Hype, gunning for that #1 spot and more. You know, all these areas that Documentary Plus recommends you check out in the featured section. It's going to be at the top here. And then when you come down, you're going to be checking out other content here, grouped into categories like festivals, advanced music, icons, comedy, politics, and more content here. Even classic documentaries and more here, all for free. No need to create an account, no need to sign in, nothing like that. You just check out any documentary you want to watch for free. Good quality documentaries. And then you can come here to films, so you can check out all the films available that are not sorted into categories. So you can take a look at more content here, like B Nation, Typewriter, Crop Speed, and more. And then you can go to search here, and maybe you want to find something that you want to watch based on, you know, what you're thinking about with the title. Maybe if you know about that documentary, you want to see it's available on here. Let's see if we have something like George. There we go, George here. And you can see our movies with Curious George, As for Cats, Boogeyman, Melis. So yeah, if you want to watch a documentary about Curious George, maybe you might have watched in the past when you was a kid, maybe you want to see, hey, how this show was made. You can take a look at it right here. Now here's the thing you gotta note though, there's gonna be an ad with this particular free service, since obviously it's free and we need ads to pay for the service, so that's how it's gonna go down. But after the ads, you're gonna get the documentary that you're gonna watch. Now I wanted to check this out before, I wanted to make a complete video on it before, but every time I try to watch something, it shows an error, which was weird to me, but it looks like now it seems like it's fixed and I'm able to check out the documentary. No error whatsoever. So there you go. Curious George documentary. Test out one more documentary here. Boogeyman. And as you can see, the documentary is loading up on here. No issue whatsoever. Let's go back. Finally, in the settings. Nothing special here, just legal and app information. So if you want to watch documentaries for free, maybe go through an ad or two, maybe in between. I'm not sure that's how the service works with the ads, but obviously you might expect ads. But if you're willing to go through it just to watch documentaries and quality documentaries too, this might be the service for you. It's Documentary Plus for free. No need to log into an account, no need to create one just to watch the free documentaries. If you want to watch it for free, no issue, then this is the app for you. And probably the only gripe is, you know, maybe if you're a person that likes to sync your watch history, watch in one room, finish in another, watch on your phone or tablet after you watch on your TV. Maybe you wouldn't like the fact that this doesn't have a account option, but if you're a person that's a minded, or maybe you're a person that probably will get over that fact, then this is the perfect documentary channel for you. Documentary Plus on the Roku. Finally, we're going to go through some tips and we're going to go through some tricks to help you get the most out of your Roku experience, because hey, why not live up to that slogan, huh? So a lot of you probably don't like the fact that the Roku TV does this thing where every time you turn it off, it has the LED on. probably might be annoying to you when you're trying to sleep at night. Get annoyed, frustrated by this LED light that is very bright, which I find kind of weird to me too, that the LED light is on when it's off, but it can't even be on when it's on. Probably that depends on you, but if you don't like this and you want to turn it off, then this is the way to do it. Settings, system, power, standby LED, turn it off. And now let's turn off the TV now. There you go. Now there's no LED light. You'll be able to sleep soundly. No need to wake up to a flashing light. Once again, settings, system, power, standby LED, off. Or if you want to leave it on, maybe you don't mind it, leave it on. Another thing I'm sure you're going to find annoying about the Roku, My Office. I mean, I already have a Roku Ultra. Why would I want to upgrade to this? And I won't even consider an update. I would consider it probably a downgrade, because why would I switch to a box which has a lot of features to a Premiere which has a lot of less features, like no power button, no voice. And again, I already have an Ultra. Why would I want to get a Streaming Set Plus? Well, it seems like it's telling me I have a Streaming Set, so I should upgrade to Streaming Set Plus, but still, why would I want to do that? So, if you're one of those folks that don't like My Office, there's finally a way to turn it off, and they added this some time ago that I discovered that I'm going to share with you now. How to turn off My Office. Go to settings again. You're going to go down to the home screen. Now, this is going to be on all Rokus. Doesn't matter if you have the TV, the Ultra, Premiere, anything like that. If you're tired of having to see the annoying My Office, this is how you turn off. Go down the home screen, go up to My Office, and then you can hide it. Now look at this on the home screen now. No more annoying My Office ad. They don't even get the My Office correct, to me at least, because hey, I already have an Ultra. Why would I want to upgrade to probably Premiere? Well, I might as well upgrade to an Ultra, the 2020 version. Why would I want to upgrade to a Premiere? So again, if you don't like that, if you don't like the My Office, settings, home screen, My Office, hide it. Or maybe if you're one of those folks that don't mind My Office, show it. But there you go. Now, you won't have to deal with the annoying ad of My Office anymore. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the format of the video today. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should continue to bring more formats like this, like a vlog, or maybe if it's not called a vlog, maybe something else. I don't know. This is just an experimental video of bringing you new apps that are updated, that probably have new features, tips and tricks here and there as well, and probably more things like that. If you like the format of the video and you want it to continue like this. So that's it for this edition of Roku Now. Hopefully you really got the most out of your work experience for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.